Hello friends, welcome back to another video from our channel Stocks with Mac, and in this video we will take a look at a penny stock which was Retton India Power Limited. We will make a detailed analysis of this stock. Before going to the video, if this content would be informative to you, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. It will be a great support for making new videos. Retton India Group, formerly named as Indiabulls Private Limited, is a business organization with business interest in power generation, cement and mining. The current market price of the share is 5 rupees 60 paise. The share price is near 52-week high, and while we looking at the technicals of this stock, we can see there is a strong annual earnings per share growth and very bullish momentum because the price is above short, medium and long term moving averages. Now we can take a look at the chart analysis of this stock. The chart demonstrated here shows the one-day data of the stock. In the chart, I marked a horizontal line as well as a trend line. The both lines get a good volume breakout. For a penny stock like this, it was a positive sign. While we looking at the chart, we can also understand that for the past 2 months, the share was in a very bullish momentum. Now we can take a look at some financial details of the stock. The foreign institutional investors increasing their shareholding in this stock, and the number of foreign institutional investors increased from 15 to 18 in the March 2021 quarter. Stock gained more than 20% in 1 month, and we can also see increasing revenue every quarter for the past 2 quarters and a strong annual earnings per share growth. So overall it was a greenish symbol. I also abstracted some points from the annual report. In the annual report of the company, they mentioned that they are comfortable with land, fuel linkage, water, financial closure, etc., and are on course to building a leadership in the position in the sector. And the operations have also been stabilized, and we are continuously working on increasing the efficiency of our power plant with the aim of bringing down the cost of production and electricity. From this point, we can clearly understand that the company aiming at a good growth and efficiency in the coming years. In this video, I also include the balance sheet details showing the assets and liabilities of the company. You want to significantly study about the various figures in the balance sheet and wait for some positive news from the company side for making good investment decision. You just want to follow this stock and add the stock in your watch list and watch in coming days how the stock performing. Don't buy this stock blindly. You want to take a look at the website of this company and track the various news from the company side also, because it's a penny stock and it is getting at an affordable price because 6 rupees. So make a good investment decision whenever a good breakout entry is possible. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please click on subscribe button for more updates like this. Thank you all.